I saw a post, as serious as it may be, before that post will land and sink. Lórí májẹ̀mú èdìdì t'Olúwa fi ń jẹ́ Olúwa táyé ó fi parẹ́, Jandor, it has become water drain. It will never become a reality. Never will it become a reality. Last election you came out, I told you pé ẹyẹ ló máa kó ìbò ẹ̀jẹ̀. You thought I was joking. All those people you were going to meet, they are all my father's friends. Latayo Onojobi, my father owned the largest rug making factory in Africa. I told them, come and waste your woe because you have a score to settle. Not with me, but you have a score to settle with womanhood. You have a score to settle spiritually. And I told you not to waste your time. You remember when I tell people not to waste time on Jare? When I say something, I say it. Unfortunately, I am too big for you people to see. I am even too confusing for you people to understand. So when I talk, people look at me that I am confusing or I'm looking for some social media relevance. But the reality of me goes beyond social media and even what you can see and understand. People remember, before we campaigned, even before anybody came out, I told you that Asiwaju was going to become the president. But the government president. Toba wadi mi ma wadi e, toba fit ino mi ma fit ino e. So that is me. Mi ò ṣe bájà. Toba gbé iná wá ma gbé iná fún ẹ. Toba re mi ma bọ́ sábàrà ìgbójú òkú ma bẹ́ẹ̀ ta. Yes. Nta ba le ṣe lójú ayé abosi boju òkú àjọta. Yes. So Jandor, I've not said a word. I've only come to warn you to die that dreams. APC should not waste their time. You have betrayed Sanwo-Olu. You are carrying files up and down, betraying people. You can do whatever you want for Asiwaju. You can go any length with my father. You have joined the APC from PDP. You can be changing political clothes up and down. I don't have a problem with that. But that ambition of you to come out to say you want to become the governor, Jandor died. To baron as assassin to me, won le mú mi o, má jẹ́ n parọ́ fún ẹ. Then not on phone, to waste your way. Go back to Abuja and continue with the bar, be the club or whatever business you're doing. Or if APC want to give you say a file to be carrying as a job, to be doing investigator or traitor for them, blackmailer for them, Asiwaju can give you that post. But that you want to become a governor in this Lagos state, impossible. Impossible. Eyele ni mo fi be tanjo kini ana. Edidi ti ma fi be ta ma be Ọlọ́run kó fún mi ni, ma be wo ton. Tó bá rojú fi ṣe ò ní rí mú fi fit, ò ní rí mú fi gbóòórùn ẹ̀. Tó bá rí ojú ẹ̀ fi rìn bó ń sáré governor kiri, ò ní rí mú fi gbóòórùn ẹ̀. Kọ orúkọ mi sí, èmi ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ẹ. Gbogbo nǹkan tó bá gbà tí mo fi ń jẹ́ ADETOUN ni ma fi bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tán. You cannot become a governor, Jandor. Very good that you came out early. The way where you take command, just reverse, enter, go back. You can't become. And let me remind you, remember 4 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, sorry, during campaign, you reported me to some people. The minute they called, you called my husband, you were gloating, you were threatening. I'm sure you were on speaker, you were talking. When I collected the phone, I reminded you of one thing. You lost it. You were shocked. You say I should send my house address. I should send my details. You want to come and see me. Don't come and see me. My matter with you is a done deal. After then, I still chatted you. I said, do you now remember who just ADETOUN is? Shock still they grip you. You thought I've forgotten or you thought it is gone. Because all of you people saw it as a what do you call it, political campaign for Sanwo-Olu that time. It goes beyond campaign. You people are so gullible. When they bring people, because you are tired of one person, they will bring another person. You people will not do your due diligence. You will not check their background. All you start doing is to start shouting, Messiah has come. Which Messiah? The demon has come, he wants to take place. But in the place of the righteous and the place where we are struggling and striving to make Lagos State a better society, where our girls and our children will be safe and protected, the likes of Jandor cannot be a governor. Musoni. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Look me as I smoke. You see me finish, I smile for your face. Try me.